Google created the most sought-after sci-fi looking gadget that everyone wanted to wear at least once. Its hands-free picture-taking and head-tracking navigation were visions of our future, and Google Now alerts were put to good use here. But its everyday uses were limited and privacy remained a concern. Not everyone got their money's worth from this one-of-a-kind, discontinued novelty. The good about it is slick, comfortable design, easy to take hands-free photos, Google Now rocks, head-tracking navigation is surreal and conversation starter. The bad about it is outrageously expensive, battery life is very poor, 5-megapixel photos need good lighting and limited number of apps. Google Glass is the controversial wearable that had its sci-looking beta testers turning heads and being peppered with questions. How does it work? What does it feel like? And, of course, the inevitable, well, can I try it? The increasing number of Google Glass invites has led to Project Glass being open to everyone in the US and now the UK, so curious, tech-savvy early adopters can answer most of these questions on their own. How to get Google Glass? Google undoubtedly wanted Glass in the hands of developers who will make the experience better, more so than curious individuals who want it for personal use. Therefore, developers were the first to qualify for Google Glass invites. Now it's for sale to anyone living in the US and UK. Google threw Project Glass into open enrollment for 24 hours on April 15 and then permanently made it available a month later. Good things come to those who wait, too. All new Google Glass models come with free frames for prescription glasses or a free sunglasses shade attachment that typically costs $225, £175, about $239 Australian. There's nothing like Google Glass, so upon being invited, I jumped at the chance to empty my Google Wallet for what my bank account poorly categorized as Glass, home improvement. It did nothing for my home, but it did provide conversation-starting improvement in social settings outside of the house. Its hands-free photo-taking capabilities encouraged me to seek out more adventure that required two hands but still warranted capturing. I put down my smartphone for a record amount of time. Instead, I searched Google Now, used hands-free Google Maps navigation and responded to Gmail and texts through the built-in microphone. The 5-megapixel camera isn't nearly as good as what you'll find on a current smartphone, especially the iPhone 5s and Galaxy Note 3, and the voice recognition software doesn't get everything entirely right. The battery life and price get everything wrong. One is too small, one is too big. It would be great if they switched.